Are you struggling to find civil building construction services that meet your project requirements? Finding the right construction partner can be challenging. You need expertise, quality workmanship, and timely delivery for your civil building projects. Whether it's residential, commercial, or infrastructure development, poor construction choices lead to delays, cost overruns, and substandard results. Our comprehensive civil building construction services provide end-to-end solutions tailored to your specific needs. From initial planning and design to final completion, we ensure quality materials, skilled craftsmanship, and adherence to timelines and budgets. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.